How's it going, guys? I'm in my basement and I've got this ejector pump, and when the thing shuts off it makes this loud thunk or a thump sound. It's kind of obnoxious because you can hear it, clear upstairs on the second floor. So I got this check valve from Amazon, and I'm going to run some water down the floor drain. We'll get it to turn on. I'm going to put the microphone up here by it, so hopefully we can pick up that sound. We'll install this thing, run some more water down there, get it to turn on again, and then see if this makes any difference. But here's the pump I got, the check valve. It was like 25 bucks on Amazon. I can put the link in the description. So I'm going to put this microphone up here. I'm going to run some water down the floor drain real quick. We'll get this thing to turn on. Hear that? Hopefully we pick that up well enough. So I'm going to get this thing put in and we'll see what happens. So they are directional. You want to make sure you got everything flowing the correct way. I'm going to stick it right up here. So let's see, we'll make one cut right about there. And you know what I wonder? I hope nothing like comes out of that thing as soon as I cut it. Maybe I should think about this first. I mean, it's just water. It feels like it's full. Yeah, I gotta think about this. How do I drain that? Okay, I gotta figure this out. I'll be back in a few minutes. Whoa. That off. It's working. Ha ha, right on. Not quite as dumb as I look. That's kind of an old understatement, but whatever. Okay, let's cut this thing. I'm so glad I didn't cut that earlier. There. Right there. Should go in the right way. It's kind of cool. It's got a clear thing on there. It's kind of fun. See some goodies floating through there. Where did my file go? There it is. I'm just going to deburr these edges. You don't want to give paper or anything something to snag on, so make that nice and smooth. The same over here. Man, that's tight fit. Probably helps if I loosen that clamp. Oh yeah, that's like so much better. I'm new. Whoop. I'm new and don't know what to do. All right. That one on. I think before I tighten any of that stuff up, put all this back together. Okay. Okay, those are tight. Tighten these clamps. I hope this helps. I mean, not that it's that much work and not that much money, but it sure would be nice. Okay, I think we're good. Let's open this back up. Okay, I'm going to run some water down that drain again. Let's stick this up there. See if it makes any difference. I'm going to move the camera. I want to stick this over here to really get a good view. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Seriously, didn't even hear the thing turn off. Oh man, I love it. Dude, I love when things work, you know? All right, well, I'm going to call that a win. I'm going to put the link for this. What the heck is it? Check valve. I'll put a link for that check valve in the description. 25 bucks. I mean, that's 100 times quieter than it's been in 6 months that we've lived here. So that's a win. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. If this helps you out at all, awesome. We'll catch you on the next one.